guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading! Hi everyone, so this is Beauty and the Beast, chapter 505, titled Mateless. Let's start. They came from above ground. Ito na yon. There's more to them than meets the eye. Oh my gosh. So they're mining gems, right? They were all imprisoned here to mine for ores? Di ba nakapag-mine sila before nito? How yung malapit sa sa village? Even Inferno City has learned how to refine iron now? Oh no. Baka nalaman nila or tinuro ni Tinuro ni Winston. Whoa, look at you guys. Stands up. Why are you here? Ito yung nung unang nagsabi na nakarinig siya ng female. Tsaka sabi niya gusto niyang mamatay together with the female. Laki niya pala, mas malaki pa siya kay kang Parker. Pero parang magkamukha sila. I found a ruthless beast on my way here. He wants to go to the Inferno City. Tinuturo niya si Curtis. He's pointing with Curtis. Parker, you. Lagot ka ngayon kay Curtis. Parker, sira ulo ka talaga. Just this once, please cooperate with me here. Out of my way. You're blocking the road. O diba? Nakalusot. Tignan natin kung makakalusot ba talaga sila until sa pinakadulo. Why is the snake beast coming to Inferno City? Pakimotch. Aren't they used to being mateless? Kala mo lang yon, pero may mate yan. Pero diba, sabi niya talaga yung mga snakes hindi nagme-mate. Aren't they used to being mateless? Ayun, ginalit niyo si Curtis. Pinagtawanan niya. Oh no, this looks trouble. Now you angered him. Curtis is going to murder someone. Pati si An natatakot. Nafe-feel din niya. Siguro siya, yung half beast siya. Kasi yung father niya si Winston, kaya nafe-feel niya yung mga aura ng mga beast. What are you standing there for? Move it along! Naniwala na sila na beast talaga tong niya. Crazy beast. Curtis! Ay naku, nagsalita ka pa, di maririnig ka nila. Ka na lang sana nagsalita, gumalaw ka na lang sana. Oh, scared na din si An-An. Wawa naman si An-An. Effective. Nag-relax si Curtis. Ang scary, no? Pati yung book niya lumilipad. Grabe yung aura niya. But hindi siya nag-transform into human. Snake pa rin. Mas siya, ma-relax siya kung naka-snake form siya. This snake beast is quite terrifying. I thought we were going to die. Supposedly. Kung hindi lang pinigilan ni Bai Ching-Teng, si Curtis. Oh, pati si An-An relax na din. Even An-An is now comfortable after suppressing the dark aura around Curtis. Okay. Ako, may naamoy na naman tong isa. Why are you still sniffing? Stop sniffing, please. Nagsisniff na naman to. Baka maamoy niyo si Ching Ching. Oh no, the air is so sweet. They must be carrying a female. Oh no. Follow them. Goodness. Ayan na naman. Got it, boss. Di talaga nawawalan ng tong buhay ni Ching Ching, no? Relax lang ng ilang buwan, tapos another problem will occur. They're still walking, so do you know where to go? Huwag ka munang lalabas, girl. Please lang. May sumusunod sa inyo. Laki na ng mining na nagawa nila, no? No, don't remove. Oh, you're planning to remove it, Curtis. No. No, please. I'm begging you. They're really going to remove it. And they just did. They just did remove it. So bagay, nahirapan silang huminga, lalo na yung baby. Pero buti na lang si Ann, she didn't cry. She can feel the, the urgency of not talking, not doing any noise. Little boy, it must have been suffocating in there. Si Bai Ching Ching lang talaga iniisip niya lagi. Paano naman si Ann? Isipin mo naman for the kahit slight na lang. No, Curtis. Mas takot siya. I'm fine. Si Ann, di mo ko pinansin. Nagko-comment yung ba? Ako, Daddy Curtis, di mo ko papansinin. Hey. I think Dappy sensed Ching Ching with us. Yeah, he surely did. Kaya nga pinapasundan kayo, itago niyo na yan. Hurry up and conceal her scent. Paano niyo tatakpan yung scent niya? Nakatulad ng ginawa ni ni Parker before, nilagyan niya ng putik yung mukha ni ni Ching Ching. Don't expose her. Okay, that's why he is putting some mud on Ching Ching's body. You don't need to do this. Well, they need to. And you have to cover your scent early. Galit na no. I'm going to smush your head. Galit na naman yarn. Step. Oh no, there's a beast. Hi, Ching Ching, hurry up. It's a lion. Oh my gosh. Parker. No. Whoosh. Oh no, nahuli sila ng lion. What? Galit siya. Roar. Oh no. Hide. Hide her. Oh my gosh. Paano yan? Nahuli sila. Alright, that's the end of this chapter. Alam kong bitin kayo, even I. It's so short for me either. But let's see what will happen on Friday. See you guys, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye! Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next